you please jump up, ma'am? No, ma'am. Ma'am. No, ma'am. Hey. Come. Come here, turquoise. Let's go. Hi. It's okay. Little turquoise. You happy? I can't believe this. Like, what do you mean? The way the lowercase like almost never come. I mean, they do come now. At least I'm more. Why are you so scared? They just take that. Oh, you're so vibrant. That's all for you. Wow. Beautiful. Oh. Are you now just hopping the plank, aren't you? Look at you. Tech boys. Your tail has gone so big, right? I'm not sure if you're turquoise, but only if you were dead. It's okay, turquoise. I don't know what's the matter with her. What? The moment when I leave, like, whoa. Only when I leave things happen. But when I stay, nothing happens. No, it's okay. I think that it's just that you're a baby. You're a baby. Hey. Don't leave. Because I'm safe. Okay? You don't need to worry, man. And then now just look. And now bloody everyone comes. Actually, say, hi, I see you. Hi. Cutie. Why are you staring at me? I did nothing wrong. But why is the camera quality so bad? Like, on here, it's literally, she's so vibrant. Maybe it's a good. Wait, wow, what happened if we just show her this? Up. You latte idiot. Come on. Why did that miner had to do it? Like he just had to do it. Oh no. And guys, one of my friends gave me this frog. But this frog has ants in it. Hold up. Baby ants. Why does it have ants in it? Are the ants using it as a nest because it's babies? Come on, babies. Come up. not safe around here. Okay, I'll put like a teeny tiny piece of food. Oh, hi. We had the 4 doves party. Not 3 doves. No. Oh. And this is for the ants. Because they're like babies. They're like real babies. Okay, I'm gonna put it where it was. Oh, you know, like they were actually like giving birth in there. I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but definitely ants. That noisy might have just dropped the thing. Too much shenanigans. Why can't the loorikeets come back, bro? I was gonna see that one miner. And where did that one miner go? I can see you, big man. Ugh. SpongeBob, big man. Look. Just a vlog in the sunset. I have an idea. What happens if I just kind of just I'm trying to upload more of a variety, so I can see your tail. I can't anymore. Honey verbs. Well, until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the world. Peace.